Welcome to the Deep Dive, where we give you the shortcut to getting up to speed. And today, we're digging into the source material on Artistly AI. It's one of the newer text-to-image tools out there.
Right.
Our mission, really, is to figure out pretty quickly if this thing actually delivers. Does it turn your ideas into decent visuals without needing to be a graphic designer?
Yeah, can you ditch Photoshop for this? That's the question.
Exactly. So the sources, they frame Artistly AI as this kind of magic art assistant.
Yeah, bit catchy.
You type in your concept, maybe a cozy treehouse in the clouds or something like a futuristic city at sunset.
And poof, an image appears. The core idea seems to be efficiency. It's built, apparently, on a diffusion model that's maybe less about artistic genius and more about, well, understanding your words well.
Okay, so less about drawing, more about describing.
Precisely. And what jumps out immediately from the sources is the speed.
Oh, right.
Images popping up, they say, often in under 20 seconds, which is, well, it's fast.
That's pretty quick, yeah. Beats waiting minutes for something you might not even use.
Exactly. It makes it genuinely useful for, like, rapid brainstorming or if you just need something fun, quick.
And the output quality?
Described as pretty polished, actually. It seems capable of handling different looks, realistic, cartoonish, more painterly styles, depending on how you word the prompt.
Okay, polish and fast. But speed and quality often mean, a hefty price tag, usually a subscription these days.
Well, this is where it gets interesting, based on the sources.
Go on.
Artistly AI apparently goes against the grain. It's a one-time payment.
A one-time payment for full access?
That's what the sources indicate. Lifetime access, one upfront cost.
Yeah.
No monthly fees hitting your account.
Wow, okay. That's different, especially for AI tools.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah.
And crucially, this one-time fee reportedly includes a full commercial license.
Get out of here, really?
Yeah, so you generate an image, you can use it for your business, sell stuff with it, whatever. No extra fees, no complicated licensing hurdles.
That simplifies things massively.
Right.
For small businesses, freelancers, content creators.
Absolutely. It removes that whole operating expense headache and, the worry about usage rights down the line.
So the accessibility seems huge. Simple pricing, broad usage rights. It sounds like it's made for almost anyone, students, small biz owners, even kids just messing around.
Definitely aiming for broad appeal. But okay, let's bring in the other side of the coin. We need to balance this.
Right. It can't be perfect. What are the catches?
Well, the sources are clear. It's not perfect. Sometimes it struggles to capture exactly what you picture.
Especially complex stuff.
Yeah, particularly if your idea is really detailed or maybe a bit abstract or, involves things AI often struggles with, like hands.
Ah, the classic AI hand problem.
Still a thing sometimes, it seems. And there are technical points, too.
Like glitches.
Occasional glitches are mentioned, yeah. Maybe some weirdness in image quality sometimes, like artifacts. And importantly, for some users.
Let me guess, you can't tweak every little detail.
Exactly. It's not Photoshop. You don't get layers. You can't easily adjust lighting after the fact or isolate elements for complex edits. So perfectionists might get a bit frustrated.
Okay, so if you need super fine-grained control, this might not be your main tool.
Probably not for that final high-level polish, no.
Yeah.
So putting it all together, what we're seeing is a tool that's great for getting images quickly and easily without ongoing costs and with commercial use included.
A really strong entry point, especially with that one-time fee.
Definitely disruptive on the pricing front. But you trade off some of that high-end precision and deep editing capability you might find in, say, more expensive subscription platforms.
So the main takeaway seems clear. Artistly AI offers simple, fast image creation, commercially viable too. And the big hook is that unique one-time payment model.
Right. It sort of democratizes access by making it an asset you buy once, not a service you rent forever.
Makes sense. Quick visuals, legally clear, no recurring bills.
But knowing it handles simple stuff well, but might struggle with the really precise or complex.
Yeah.
It makes you wonder, what's the first really tricky, detailed image you would throw at it?
Good question.
Something like, I don't know, a steampunk octopus solving a Rubik's Cube underwater, just to see where it breaks.
Yeah, push those limits. Definitely something to think about as this whole AI art scene keeps evolving so fast.